the court is ordering pixelation of the defendant's face.
San Diego Superior Court Judge John Pro ordered the face of Charles Boyd Freitas be tiled out, even though he holds a fairly public job, assistant principal at Hoover High School.
Wait, enter denial to all allegations and a not guilty plea.
Freitas pleaded not guilty to 3 felony counts: sending pornography to a minor, contacting a minor with the intent to commit a sex crime, and possession of child pornography. He faces up to 4 years in prison if convicted on all counts, and the judge ordered him to stay away from the alleged male victim.
He is referred to as John Doe. There is a full criminal protective order in which the defendant must stay 100 yards away from the victim in this case.
The 43-year-old worked at Hoover High School in Talmadge for the past 2 years. Before that, he was a math and science teacher for at least a decade at the San Diego School of Creative and Performing Arts in Bay Terraces. This cached biography from the San Diego Unified School District says Freitas graduated from San Diego State University with a degree in math, then earned a master's degree in education from National University. The Performing Arts School includes middle school and high school students, and the math teacher was known as Charles Boyd, which is the name he's listed under in this 2013 yearbook.
He has to stay 100 yards away from all San Diego County schools and all San Diego County parks.
San Diego police say the investigation started after a boy reported that Freitas sent and requested illicit images on social media. Officers arrested Freitas at his home in Skyline on March 20th and served a search warrant seizing multiple devices that will be analyzed for evidence related to child sexual abuse. Freitas remains out of custody on $25,000 bail. His next court appearance is set for May 15th. At the downtown courthouse, David Gottfredson, CBS 8.